Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I finally want to tell you about what my surprise is. Um, I've been kind of teasing throughout the last couple of months. I knew it was going to happen, and this is the day that I'm going to give you a sneak peek. It's a rainy day here in Georgia, and I have been sitting here and playing with this portfolio that I was given a couple dozen of them, and I'm taking them to the retreat in January for the ladies to all do something with them. So I'm kind of playing with mine now with stencils and some paint, and I'll do some more layering on here. But back to my surprise. Before I actually show you my surprise, I'm going to show you a video that me and my work buddy Sam did during Halloween. Now, why am I going to show you that about my surprise? Because, I don't know, it's sort of a hint on what my surprise is going to be. So, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the video of Sam and I. He's our safety man at work, and he's, like I said, I guess my best buddy at work. And I'll be back. So, hold on. Well, it finally happened. Exactly. Somebody has burned down my she shed.
Nobody burned down your she shed, Cheryl.
Well, my she shed's on fire.
She still was struck by lightning.
Exactly. Is my she shed covered by State Farm? You hear that, Victor? I get a new she shed, she said.
She shed?
Mm-hmm.
That's wonderful.
So did you know who we were? We were Victor and Cheryl from the Allstate commercial. I thought it was too funny, Sam with that hose, and we'd put saran wrap out of it. It was a hoot to me. Anyhow, did you kind of get what my surprise might be from that video? Maybe, maybe not. All right, well, once again, stay tuned because here it is. Okay, everybody, this is my surprise. I am getting my own she shed. It's going to be my art studio, where I keep all my stuff, and they have just brought it. And they're going to be backing it in here and giving it a little twist and putting it in the field next to my house. So I'm so excited, and for, I don't know, probably the weeks and maybe even months to come, you're going to see what I do with it. But stay tuned. After it all gets backed in here, I will go and take you inside so you can see how it looks unfinished. So anyhow, that's my big surprise, and I am so excited I can't begin to tell you. It's actually maybe better than going to Disney World. Anyway, thanks. Bye. I'm not quite sure what this little piece of machinery is going to do to my she shed, but they've whipped it out in their Dixie Belle, old gal. But it's getting close. It's almost parked. Got a bunch of blocks we have to put under it yet. Yippee-yay! They had 2 escorts for a wide load. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so we're back at it. Now they've got the little, I don't know what it's called, gadget in line, and they're going to straighten it all out. What my situation is the window there and the window to my back bedroom is where the modem is. And because I live very much in the country, I can't get more internet access, so I have to tie into what's at the house. So therefore I need my windows kind of close together so I can simply get an extender and still have internet inside. So that's what.
I mean, you can't get
slide it on around. I do have a big tree here I didn't want to lose. We did have to cut down one small one in order for them to make the turn to get it in here. So I'm trying to wait and see this little piece of machinery in action. There we go. They're sliding it off the trailer, lifting it up. Isn't this weird? That little piece of machinery moving that whole big old thing. And if you're wondering what size it is, the enclosed part is 16 by 32 with a 4-foot porch on the front. Now, I did not get many windows because I wanted to have plenty of wall space for bookshelves and such. So, and it does, or will, have just a small bathroom, and then with a sink and a toilet and a makeshift kitchen that there's really no walls to. I'll do some kind of divider there. So that's really it. And I'm kind of piecing these videos together, I guess, just so you all can see. And I'm going to walk on up here to the front of it now as it comes off the truck that brought it here. I guess it's got like little slides, and there you see. And now I'll ask a question for everyone. I'm not going to leave that door white. You see the color of the shed, or she shed, or bitch barn, or art studio, whatever you want to call it. And my roof is a dark brown. What color would you paint that door? Give me your ideas. I greatly appreciate it. So anyway, I'm going to sign off here for at least a minute. Thanks again. I'm so excited. So yay! I'm getting my own art studio, aka she shed, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Yep, it's a 16 by 32 inside with a 4-foot front porch. I am so excited about it. Now, full disclosure, it came early December. And I know this video is a month later, but I've worked during that time and had a whole bunch of other stuff come up. So I'm finally getting to share the video and the studio with you. Now, in this month's time, nothing really has been done to it. Okay, so I've not been in such a big hurry to show you the inside yet, but that's going to be my next video. And like I said, there's in that month's time, I've kind of lined up an electrician, and I've lined up a drywall guy who is going to insulate it and drywall it, and hopefully also paint the drywall for me. So I have purchased light fixtures. I guess that is one thing I have done. So when the electrician starts, there's going to be a few fixtures that he can go ahead and put up. But I've got to get my husband's closet cleaned out because that's where our panel box is. So there is a bunch of stuff, and I kind of want to take you through this process with me in case anyone else out there thinks that they might want a separate building. I have gone back and forth about this for a very long time. Part of me wanted to add on to my house because I like my house. My house is a little cozy house. But I don't know. Aesthetically, I couldn't figure out how to add on and make it look right. So I thought just another little building in the side yard would be fine. So that's what we did. So in the next video I'll show you, I'll take you on inside. I have to do it during daylight hours, and like I said, today it's rainy and dark here. But I'll show you, and like I said, we'll go on this journey together, and as I get something finished, I'll do a quick video and pop in on you. Not sure how crafty I'm going to be during this time, because once it all gets finished, then I have to move everything from in here out there. And this room is packed full. I mean, floor to ceiling, and a closet, and I overflow with a bookcase in my bedroom, and even in my spare bathroom I have some supplies. So there's going to be a lot to take, but I will take breaks from time to time and make sure I video and keep you all up to date. So please come on back and go on this adventure with me. And as I can, like I said, I'll try to do some of my little crafty things. But can you imagine how nice it is going to be to work on something, leave it there, walk away from it, let it dry, move on to something else? Because normally, like if I work on something, I put it away and then I forget about it for a little while until I'm like, oh yeah. So, and there's some crafty things that I'm going to do in there um, that I've got on my to-do list now. So anyway, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm just excited about it. And stay tuned. Come on back. And Happy New Year, everybody. And stay with us because you never know. I might do something clever. Y'all behave. Bye.